We are talking about corruption in the country. Ladies and gentlemen, the issue of corruption is not a one-man's fight. We should all join hands in fighting corruption. But how are we going to fight it? We need to start with our own children. Abana tubayigirize, tubateke mu values, tubayigirize okumanya obuvunanyizibwa n'obubi. Bategere Katonda, omwana alina Katonda, mulimu ebimu by'abaati okukola. Abaana bakimanye nti okulya enguzi, okubba. Munnange Omusiraamu yangamba namukwano gwange Omusiraamu yangamba, Honorable Seninde, you see how rich I am? And indeed, he's a very rich man. Nangamba, I prayed, and my mother told me when I was young that make sure when you grow up, sente z'ekibi tozitekanga mu maali yo. Naye maama ye yakimugambanga muto, but he grew up with that value. Era ye tabba bantu, alina hardware naye he never cheats